Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I bring you a 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix GT. I'm at Bob Mayberry Hyundai in Monroe, North Carolina. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Grand Prix. Start it up, show the engine, as well as show a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior, and get an exhaust clip. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. It's got 111,360 miles. Starts right up. Sport grips in the steering wheel. All right, headlights, fog lights, hazards, automatic driver's side window. Let's check out the exterior. Dual exhaust outlets. Pop the hood. .3.8 Series 2 V6. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power sliding, tilting driver's seat with manual recline. Tilt steering wheel. And let's go and see how it sounds. When in park, the rev limiter is just right at 4,000. Not a bad sounding car. Dual zone climate control. Different zones. display to come on. Driver information system. OnStar. Radio controls on the steering wheel. Pop the trunk. Alright, let's go ahead and shut it down. Pretty deep cargo well. Spare tire. Nice opening. It's a very clean car. Rear spoiler. Full manual passenger seat. Very nice car. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 2002 Grand Prix GT. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care everybody.